I was in US for almost 15 years and I had a business there, software business. We came back to India around 2006 and we were looking for a home at that time. In US we had a huge house, almost like 15,000 square feet area with a 3,500 carpet area and swimming pool, etc. So when we came back, we were looking for a bigger house and a better community, luxurious house. But somehow at that time we couldn't find anything. And 2012, that's when we came across this Kolte Patil advertisement in the newspaper. So we said, we'll just go and take a look. So when we came here, first thing what I liked was the location. There's a river behind and there's a huge area, army area in the front, which is empty. And when we actually saw the flat, it was ready, but it was raw. But we could visualize what we can do with it. So it was almost like, the love at first sight. We decided to book it. And we saw it and booked in almost like next 2 days, and we made a lot of changes in terms of we almost like moved kitchen from one place to another. So a lot of those changes we made, and fortunately Kolte Patil did assist us in doing all the changes without any problem. So we had a lot of interaction with sales team to start with, then their design team, and they really helped us go through all this phase. So the Kolte Patil sales team is very professional. I had positive experience with them. There were definitely delays, but they kept us informed, and they kept their promise. Basically if they said, let's say something will happen in, let's say 2 weeks, it happened. And when we were taking the position, they had the quality inspection, and that team, in fact, they were stricter than me. I mean, that was something surprising. I could have just passed something, but they said no, they will redo it. So a couple of things or rather several things were redone. So that was really good on their part. Other thing is the overall the facilities on the security as well as the other facilities within the apartment. I think with the JLL, I think they are good. We are staying here almost for 1 month now, and I am very happy. Initially there were some minor issues in terms of water, etc., but now they are all resolved. One good thing is whenever we complained, it got resolved in 24 hours, in fact less than 24 hours, and we used to just SMS or just write an email and it will be taken care of. So that way I found a very good place to stay, and I'll call it home. And because it's a huge place, I have my own swimming pool. We have also done several other things including home theatre and several we have a family room. So which were not possible in many other locations where what we saw, and which we were used to earlier. I am very happy with Kolte Patil.